Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu, the seed, from the 29th to the 2nd of September 2022 on Monday. Tusheleni and Nomsa becomes the official owner of Emsamo. Lindo still intend on finding Umuti. Poppy is not under any illusion that she's doing it for her on Tuesday. Tando find the book and her recipe is in it. Pakate comes to Mandlovu and Mazulu about Sakile, or about meeting Sakile in prison. Tando uses something of Shreya, says, Angiti, what's mine is yours, therefore what yours is mine on Wednesday. Shreya and Niruba try to bribe Tando, but she refuses. Zakiti does not like Sibongile and finally shows it. The Bengu delegation meets Sakile Ndawonde. Tando means business and arrives with a lawyer on Thursday. Sakile challenges Mzwandile about his relationship with Kanyo, and Sakile looks forward to come face to face with Zitulele. Tusheleni and Nomsa's relaunch at Emsamo doesn't go well. Nomsa is determined to prove herself amid speculation she's only succeeded due to using Umuti on Friday. Sakile and Zitulele are led into a meeting room. During the forgiveness ceremony, Sakile attacks Zitulele with a shank. When Tusheleni does go to work, he is too busy socializing to help and doesn't take kindly to be reprimanded by Nomsa. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.